30 green. Let's do it. This one's a little mint green bow. And I kind of like starting from the top and going to the bottom, so let's do that. 1, 2. I have another one, but let's just do one of each thing for now. 3. It's one of my favorites. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's purple. Okay, so those were stuck, but we have 9, 10. 11. I have another one, but we'll come back and count if we need to. I have a big one for 12. Check up here. 13. 14. I might have more in there, but we can come back. Oh, let's do the alligator for 15. Oh, and the alien for 16, because this one's really cute. 17, obviously, I almost forgot the slimes. 17. 18, can't forget the slimes. Let's go here. 19 and 20. And let's do 21 and 22. I know I have a mini one of these. There it is. 23. 24 is this mint one. 25. 26. 27. 28. And I know I have a dinosaur for 29. Oh wait, I was supposed to do 30. Okay. Gobble for 30. Looks like I win, but thanks for playing.